Hello you guys and welcome. Today's video is one that I've been thinking about doing for a while. This is actually a second review of something I did maybe, oh my goodness, it had to have been about 4 years ago, I think. But for some odd reason, this video has been getting so many views and I've been getting so many comments on it, and I'm like, you know what? I need to do an update. I need to do this again. The last video, my hair was blonde. I look so different. So I want to try it again with my dark hair, and I just want to give it another shot. So if you don't know what I'm talking about this video here that a car just went by outside and it scared me. I'm talking about this video here where I tried out tattoo eyebrows. I think they looked pretty good. For what they were, they looked pretty cool. If you have zero eyebrows and you are looking for something, I thought they looked pretty good. So these are my eyebrows with, I use a brow gel every day. I have to fill them in every day. So pretty soon I'm gonna take these off and you're gonna see just how sad my brows really are. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through and show you guys how I apply them, and then we're gonna do a wear test again. I do go to the gym every day and I sweat, so I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning. I'm a little nervous to wear these to the gym. I hope it's not a huge disaster, but I will keep you guys posted. So these are the ones I am talking about. I ordered these off of Amazon. I don't know if these specific ones are even still available. I will look for you guys. Came with 6 sheets of them. So 66, that's such a random number. Yeah, so it came with 66 of them, apparently. I've only used, the other ones. I do not remember using all these. So this is what they look like. It is literally a tattoo. It has that protective sheet over it. So what I do is I just cut off the pair, and then I cut them, and then I do them, obviously I do them separately, because I think if you do them at the same time, yeah, you don't want to do it at the same time because you want to try to cut as close as you can so that you don't have a lot of the shiny stuff. You'll see what I mean. Like when I put it on, like you will be able to see, like, cause it's a temporary tattoo. And if you've ever tried those, you know how those kind of look weird. So it's cool though, how it gives you the image on the other side too. So you can kind of like place it. So it kind of shows you like what you're working with. It shows you like where it's gonna go. So, okay, I'm gonna cut these up and then we will get into it. So I basically just cut them off here and then cut them in the middle. And now I'm gonna go through and really cut like closer to the actual eyebrow, like close up, so that there's not a ton of the excess on there, because like I said, it can get shiny. So here, I'll just show you guys how I do this. So I just kind of go through and obviously not cut where the hair is, but just get as close as possible. And I mean, these things are gonna blow you away. Like once I put them on, it is crazy how realistic these things actually look. So if you are someone that suffers from like a hair loss disease or something, and you like want natural looking like hair like brows, these are pretty darn cool. Obviously there's gonna have their issues because it's like a tattoo and it's not, you know, it's not permanent by any means, but it is pretty cool. These like that. Now we're gonna go and take off my bras. Oh my God, I'm not gonna take off my bra. We're gonna take off my brows and then apply these. I just have these little gauze pads here. They're actually from Rodan & Fields. And this is how I'm just gonna take them off. I put some micellar water on here and I'm just gonna take them off. So yep, look at that. Yep, I've got the 90s brow going on. I literally cannot even tell you guys the last time I plucked an eyebrow. They just will not grow. I waxed them and plucked them a lot in my 20s. And oh, by the way, I'm in my 40s. So my brows will just not grow. They won't grow. They're this is embarrassing that I'm even on camera showing you guys this, but this is what it is. So I want to show you guys like how these actually look on pretty non-existent brows. All right, so you are gonna wanna make sure that you have like all the makeup taken off from where you're going to apply these, because otherwise it's not gonna stick. So I do have a wettened, is that a word? I have a gauze pad here that I wet, and that's what I'm going to apply it with. So it's like a, you know, just a temporary tattoo. Now, did I take off the protective part? Did not. Oh, that would have been bad. So yeah, make sure that you take off the little clear part, and then that is what you're left with here. This is what you're left with here. And I'm going to apply it and hope for the best. So it is nice that it gives you this on the other side so you can kind of see what you're working with here. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, I hope this is good. I'm looking at my phone like as a mirror, so I hope that this works. So then you're just gonna kind of hold on the wet towel for a while, like just like a normal little tattoo. And I think I am gonna have to take it off and put it at the end because it's not covering everything. Gotta get the tail. Okay, ready? Nervous. Okay, yep, that's kind of how I remember it. Kind of shiny right here. Okay, so yeah, I can't really see very well in the camera, but that is what we're looking like right now. Let me get a mirror. Yeah, this one, I don't think it went on very well. Oh, yeah, no. Oh gosh, we gotta do it again. I'm afraid, what if these are too old? Oh dear. Yeah, it literally like, I don't know. Hang tight, we gotta do this again. So I have this one going on. I don't know if I didn't keep it on long enough. We're gonna try to keep it on a little bit longer and see what happens, because the other one definitely did not work. Come on, little tat, work for us. Did you work better? Please say you worked better. I forgot to take the plastic off. Oh my gosh. All right, we're doing round 2 here. So I have them both on. Let's try this again. So I have the plastic removed, and we're gonna keep it on for a while here and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Please work, please work, please work. Okay, well, they're on. They're shiny, but they are on. I'm afraid that this one, I got up a little high so you can kind of see a gap from where my real brow is and then the fake one. So yeah, they are definitely shiny. I don't know how, if they look really shiny to you guys. I'm sure they do. Okay, so I'm gonna let these dry, and then I might put a little bit of brow powder on them and just see if I can get the shine to go away. Hang tight, I'll be back. All right guys, so this is kind of what we're working with. They are very shiny, I feel like. I did take this brush, this just had some like old foundation on it, and I just kind of tried to get the shine off. So I'm gonna take you guys in some natural light and see how shiny it is out there. Okay, so this is how we are looking out in natural light. I mean, I think they look pretty good. I'm just a little red here from where I've been, you know, applying them and stuff, but I don't know. What do you guys think? It's crazy how they like look like real hair. It's really crazy. So, all right, we are going to go throughout the day, and it's so weird. Like, they look real. I'm gonna go throughout the day, and I'll probably do an update maybe before bed. If they still look good, I won't do an update before bed. I'll wait till the morning. And then, like I said, I am going to the gym tomorrow, and I'm doing a class that I know I'm gonna sweat. So we'll see how they hold up. All right, stay tuned, y'all. It is the next morning. I'm in the car heading to the gym. I'm wearing a hat because I'm terrified if I start sweating that these are going to like just fall off. So they look pretty good for, you know, I slept with them on and everything. I have not showered yet. That part is tricky because once the moisture like hits them, they start to come off, but they look pretty good right now. Let's see how they look after my workout. Okay, my hair is looking a mess because I wore my hat the whole time I worked out. But so, okay, I'm home from the gym and I sweat a ton and they are still on, you guys. Oh, they feel a little tacky. Oh, weird. Sorry, the ice maker is running right now if you hear that water running. yeah, but seriously, like, they are still on. They are still going strong. The next test will be, I'm gonna shower here in a few, and then we'll get to see how they look after the shower. If I recall the last time, they definitely started to break down after I showered, just because with the moisture, like they start to get wet. Like, I don't know, they definitely feel tacky right now. So yeah, all right, stay tuned. Okay, I just got out of the shower. And I was not like gentle at all. I took a very hot shower and I sat in there for a while. They're a little tacky feeling, but I mean, I think they look pretty good still. This one is a little, I feel like there's like a spot here where it's like my real brow and then the tattoo. I don't know, it looks a little wonky, but I mean, they look pretty good, you guys. I feel like this time around is going better than the first time I did them. So I don't know. And I feel like I put them on a little crooked like that, whatever. They're not supposed to be identical, right? It's fine. But yeah, so I'm going to keep them on. I thought maybe I was going to have to take them off after the shower because I didn't know how they were going to look, but I'm going to keep them on and maybe sleep. Yeah, I'm going to sleep in them again. And then tomorrow morning, I have another gym class tomorrow morning. I don't know if they'll be up for that challenge, but we will see. So this is day 2 after a shower, and they're still looking pretty darn good. So yeah, I'll check back tomorrow and let you guys know how it went the second night of sleeping with them. Okay, it is the next morning. I just woke up. I'm so tired. I just want to wash my face. These things have got to come off. They are looking rough. Literally, like, oh my gosh, my skin, just because my skincare, like these things are so tacky now because yeah, there's no chance for them to dry. So, oh my gosh, I literally think I could just like peel them off right now. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna put some micellar water on here and see if that takes it off. Yeah, that definitely worked. So they're really easy to take off once they get to the point where they're at. So, yep. All right, guys, thank you for going on this journey with me. I am going to go wash my face like a normal person because I'm tired of like being careful of those. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I definitely think these things work. I think they'd be better for like maybe a one night thing, not trying to get them to last for a few days because yeah, it's a little tricky to keep them intact. So I hope you guys enjoyed and we'll see you all in my next video. Bye.